Hi, welcome everybody. My name is Christopher Medina. I am your hearing care professional, and today we're gonna have another episode where we're gonna be debunking another myth. And today's myth is hearing aids will restore my hearing to normal. So why might some think this? Today's hearing aids are technological marvels. They have the capability to tune out a lot of background noise, and they can also be programmed from the touch of a smartphone these days, as well as they can now work in tandem with all our personal electronics like smartphones and tablets. So understandably, with all the advances in technology, I can see how some might think by just putting a hearing aid on, they'll be able to hear perfectly. But let's get into some of the facts. So number one, the reality is that hearing aids can't restore our hearing to perfectly normal. As much as we've learned about our sense of hearing and how it works, there is no man-made device that can completely replicate human hearing. From my experience, I agree with that. I've done thousands of hearing tests, and everyone who truly has had hearing loss, who has worn hearing aids, never has been able to restore their hearing 100%. So when doing a hearing test, we do pure tone testing, which is the beeps, to find out what degree of hearing loss you have. We also do word discrimination testing to see how much speech you understand. So we basically tell you a few words, repeat them back, and we get a percentage, right? So let's say, for example, you got 80% of the words correctly. So that means even with hearing aids on, you're probably most likely going to only understand 80% of conversation. And again, most patients, every single patient has a different and unique hearing loss and different hearing. So some patients might benefit from hearing aids more than others. So the good news is, even though your hearing can't be restored 100% with hearing aids, they can significantly improve your ability to communicate with your friends, your family members, and even co-workers. And it is key to work closely with your hearing care professional so that you guys fine-tune the hearing aids and you are able to listen the best as possible in your unique environment. So today's myth was hearing aids will restore my hearing to normal. So as you guys can see, or what we learned today was that hearing aids can't restore your hearing to normal, but they can significantly improve your hearing by a lot. And there's millions and millions of patients that actually benefit from hearing aids. So if you guys have any questions or comments, post below, and I'll catch you guys in the next video. Take care. Thank you guys so much for watching the videos. I really appreciate your support. If you could please like, share, and subscribe. And if you guys have any questions or something you'd like me to talk about around hearing loss or hearing aids, post in the comments below, and hopefully we'll feature your question on the next episode. Thank you guys. Take care.